Hello everyone. Today I'll be making the broken wheat upma, also known as Dalia. So this is the broken wheat. We can easily get it in any market, in any grocery stores. This is very healthy and easy to make one pot meal. So to start with, let's heat up a pressure cooker and add around 2 spoons of oil in it. Uh, Preparing in pressure cooker makes it very easy. Once the oil gets heat, add mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, lower the flame and add around a half teaspoon of cumin seeds and some turmeric, urad dal, and around half teaspoon of channa dal. Adding channa dal, it gives a nice taste. Now let's add the peanuts. These are the raw peanuts. Now let's add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and around 2 medium size onion. Nicely mix it and let the onions become around some golden brown color. When the onions become translucent or golden brown color, let's add one tomato. This is around 1 tomato, medium sized, and give it a mix. This is easy to prepare, and it can have it as a lunch or dinner or breakfast anywhere, anytime. See, now here I am adding around 2 cups of this broken wheat. No need to fry it for too long, just give a light mix so that everything gets combined well. Now let's add some chilli powder, required amount of chilli powder. I'll be adding around 2 small spoons of chilli powder. You can adjust it to your taste. Then again give it a light mix. This broken wheat upma requires little more water than our normal rava upma. The water we need to add will be in 1:3 ratio. That is, if we have 1 cup of broken wheat or dalia, the water should be 3 cups. So since I have taken 2 cups of this dalia, I'll be adding around 6 cups of water. You can add any other vegetables if you wish. If without any vegetables also, it really tastes very good. The grated ginger really adds nice flavor to this. Now let's add the required amount of salt. That's it. This is all the needed ingredients. You can also add green peas if you wish. That's it. Mix it well and cover the lid and allow it to whistles around, let it cook for around 3 whistles. Pressure cooker is really helpful too for this. Once 3 whistles are done, let the pressure cool down by its own. Then open the lid and our dalia or the broken wheat upma is all ready to serve. So you can see it has cooked very well. It is not even sticky also. Now here we can add little bit of coriander leaves and give it a light mix. It is really filling and it's like one pot meal. It's good as a breakfast, lunch or dinner also. That's it. It's ready to serve. And this is our the whole broken wheat upma ready. I think you'll all like it. Thank you.